Hi guys, welcome back. I think, part 4 now. Part 4 of this build. I've actually done a lot of work since I've last seen you guys. I'm going to do maybe a couple videos today, film a couple of videos. The main one is, I've got a mate of mine, Ryan from RFab. He's coming down. He's going to make a full 3-inch stainless side exit for this beast. It's going to sound sweet. I've actually got this running. It's actually driving as well. I know a couple of you have seen it on the page, on the L200 pages, but we'll get full clips of that today, and hopefully we might be able to test drive this today. There's obviously a few other bits I need to finish off, but yeah, we'll show you now pretty much what we've been doing. Sweet. Right, so first thing I'm going to show you guys is obviously the heart of the beast. Right here we've got Bmw E46 330D. It's an M57U, so it's the uprated version, the 204 brake. Yeah, I've just gone to town on this build. We've pretty much custom engine mounts. I've got a guy up in Devon, he's called Ed Bateman. He made the adapter plate. Another company called Clutch Fix, they made the custom clutch. Where do I start, honestly? I've got radiator and a support bar I've made myself, all welded in. The radiator is actually from a Nissan 200SX S13 S14 alloy radiator. It's quite a tight fit. I'll show you it, guys, here. It's pretty close. Yeah, it's close. But it's pretty much the only radiator I could get to fit. You obviously need a lot of coolant for this size motor, and I didn't want to skimp out on the size of the radiator, etc. I could have gone with a Bmw radiator, but I just had problems with the factory expansion bottles sitting here and stuff, and the hoses and all wouldn't really line up. I don't know where else to go really. Obviously my custom sump, which is down here. It's all been welded up now, all finished. I don't know if you can see in here, but that's to clear the timing chain sprocket. A couple of little bits at the back as well that have been used for clearance. But yeah, works a peach. Got the front diff in now, as you can see. Plenty of clearance now. Got brand new hardened drive shaft boots. They are from Milner's Off-Road. I can't fault them, they are ace. They literally last a lifetime, they're brilliant. Yeah, everything just seems to be coming together now. I've got dashboard back in, which I'll show you guys in a second. Yeah, other than that, what else have I got explained? Wiseman's engineering loom, the harness. It's so easy to wire in, it's so simple. Literally, I think a child could do it. It's full wiring diagrams for it. It's real simple, real simple. You can't get anything wrong. There's pictures, diagrams, what each wire does. Yeah, I can't fault it. It's brilliant loom. I've gone for a top-mounted turbo, which I mentioned last time, but I've not really shown you guys. So basically, it's the factory standard manifold, flip the other way up, and then we've got a little adapter down here, flange adapter for the turbo, and then we had to clock the turbo. Now if you guys don't know what that means, basically you unbolt the housings and you turn the inner core, because you need the oil feed at the top and the drain at the bottom. That you have to have that for flow. If you don't have that, you're going to blow your turbo in no time. I've welded a V-band, 3-inch stainless V-band to the back of the turbo housing. Obviously my friend Ryan, RFab, he's going to finish that today. I'm literally so excited for this exhaust, it's going to look ace. So I've gone for a enclosed air filter. BMC CDA, I highly rate these. They're actually not that cheap. They're quite expensive, but I fully rate them. They're fully enclosed. Air filter is inside this canister. To run my snorkel, which is it. so when I go wading through rivers and stuff, it won't suck up any water, because if you don't want that, your engine will go pop. It will just seize up. It's not good. And yeah, I'm going to try and get this started for you now, guys, and I'll show you the sound of the beast.
Yeah.
So basically, I want to know what you guys like want to ask me, what you guys want to look at, what you guys are interested in seeing. I mean, I'm always down for options and people's opinions. So yeah, any questions you want to ask me, or what you want to see of this, what you want me to explain, that's not a problem. I am actually going to do like a full build video of everything explained, like literally everything on the truck, what I've done with it, what I've bought for it, how I've put this in, how I've put that in, etc, etc. But yeah, I've been busy on this, and it's finally running, it's finally driving. I drove it yesterday, just moved it forwards and backwards. I know it drives, and yet today, fingers crossed, with this exhaust, we will drive it. And that'll be a sick little clip. But yeah, I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. I'm absolutely stoked. Absolutely stoked. And then, when this one's done, I've got a little surprise. I've got a newer B40, which I've already put the engine in, which I'll show you guys now. Just creeping away here. Just it. Another one for an M57 swap. Already done a few bits on this one. This is actually a customer of mine's. Yeah, excuse the bring. So this one will be another world's first, I guess, or UK's first. Don't think it's ever been done before. But yeah, this one already has M57 in it. Just waiting on a few bits for this one. Adapter plate and all, because customer wants to keep this one auto, which I think will be pretty cool. It's easier for him. Where he lives is horrendous roads, and he lives pretty much in the middle of the sticks, hence why it's got a 4-inch body lift. But yeah, a couple of other bits I've done. Just in here, I've already fitted the electronic BMW throttle pedal. Literally looks factory in there. I couldn't have asked for a cleaner install, to be honest. I know it's muddy, I will wash it. Got his Wiseman's loom already, an ECU. I mean, look how simple that is. That is all you need to do to wire it in to get it running. I mean, that's insane. Throttle pedal connector, OBD port, and that's it. That is literally it to get it running. It's crazy. But yeah, these looms from Wiseman's, again, I can't thank them enough. They're brilliant quality, brilliant bit of kit. Couldn't ask for a cleaner loom, to be honest. But yeah, I won't talk too much more on this one. This one's a bit more of a surprise.
6.5 hours later.
Hi.
I'm gone. I'm out. Big B's over.
Big B's out.
Right, so before we take this thing for a test drive, and Ryan is over there finishing up welding the 3-inch stainless exhaust. Just going to fill the discs up. Just drain, well, my missus actually, right here, is just drained the rear one. The front one I actually drained prior to taking it out. I'm just going to fill it up now. Easiest way is pretty much get an electric pump. It's so much easier than doing it by hand. So yeah, fill them up now and go from there. today. It's been a long day. Me and Steph have been here hours. Ryan's been here not as long, but he's done an absolute fantastic job on this. Hope you guys have really enjoyed this episode. As you see, it's now running, it's driving, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm going to tidy some bits up on it. And yeah, stay tuned. Peace. Tell me. Yeah, honestly, I really appreciate all the love about. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're enjoying this. Show my main man Steph here, who's done all my filming for me. Show him some massive love, honestly. Check out his channel, it's ace. But yeah, I'm happy, I'm literally so stoked. This build has been ongoing for about a year. And look, I sat here running. I'm literally so happy, so yeah. Peace out, I'm gonna go give it a rip.